Hello, welcome back to Video Wizard, and today I'm going to show you how to change your audio channels in Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, so I have this clip, one of my old videos, and I want to mess around with the audio channels. Okay, so I want it all playing through the left channel. Not all playing through the left channel, sorry. I want all of the left channel that's been picked up to play through both. Okay, so you want to drag this into your project tab, as I already have done. And before I do anything, let me just show you the audio. Notice how it's similar, but there are a couple discrepancies. Mainly these bits here are very, very different. Okay, so how do I make these the same? Let me show you. So you head up into Clip, down into Modify, Audio Channels, and then you have this little graph. This little sequence here. So let's say I wanted the left channel to play on both. I simply just press that. And if I wanted the right channel to play on both, I'd simply press that. Okay, so let's do right channel. You just press OK, and then look how that's changed. It is now the same channel. It is literally that easy, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.